Welcome to our channel where we simplify your fast food rewards experience. Starting now, you'll know exactly how to check your McDonald's points with ease. Welcome to our channel today. We dive into the simple step-by-step process of checking your McDonald's rewards points, so you can make the most of every meal. Starting with the McDonald's app. First, download and install the official McDonald's mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and sign in to your McDonald's account. If you don't have one, easily create an account using an email address or social media login. After logging in, navigate to the Rewards or Offers section on the home screen. This is where all your earned points and available rewards are displayed. Your points balance is usually prominently shown here, so you can quickly see how many points you've accumulated. If for any reason you don't see your points, make sure you are logged in with the correct account linked to your purchases. Remember, points accumulate with every purchase made either through the app or in store using your registered account. Next, if you prefer using McDonald's website, simply log into your account at the official McDonald's site. Go to your profile or rewards dashboard and check the current points amount here. Always ensure your purchases are linked to the same account to avoid missing out on points. Now that you know where to check your points, let's go through the key ways to earn them. You earn rewards points every time you make a purchase with the McDonald's app by scanning the QR code in store or ordering through the app. Points are automatically credited after each successful transaction. Keeping track of your points balance allows you to know when you have enough to redeem free food items or special offers. McDonald's rewards program often features bonus points promotions, so be sure to check the app regularly to maximize your rewards. To summarize, checking McDonald's rewards points is quick and hassle-free, mainly done through their app or website with easy navigation to your account's rewards section. This helps you stay informed about your earnings and enjoy saving on your favorite menu items. Stay tuned to the app for bonus offers and special deals that can boost your points rapidly. Don't forget to link all your purchases and always sign in with the correct account, so your points are tracked accurately. You'll enjoy delicious rewards in no time. Thank you for joining us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to keep up with all the latest tips and tricks for your favorite fast food experiences.